I think about Thomas getting a you ask? Kinda jealous, seeing as my car got impounded, is stolen by the federal government, and I'm going on Christmas Eve to go get it back at auction for $300. So yes, he is gonna have a better car than me. Yes, I'm jealous, and I'm probably gonna steal it at some point.
Alright, Thomas.
What's up?
Give me your story, your background, how you ended up in Pittsburgh, how you ended up working.
Yep. So I grew up in North Carolina with Taylor. Decided after high school I wanted to go to college, moved to the big city of Charlotte, North Carolina, and went to school there. Went to university for a little while, double majored in accounting and finance, which was not fun in my mind. Spent a lot of time in the library doing math problems, just wasn't fun. So wanted to find something I enjoyed, which has nothing to do with what I do now, but ended up going into plants, horticulture. So my degree is in horticulture, and I was working in greenhouses for 2.5 years, worked for a tree company for a little while, and I was pretty unhappy with that. And so after a while, I was talking to Taylor, seeing what my options were, asking him what I should do, how I should go about life, everything like that. And he called me, we talked for a little while, and he was like, well, why don't you come to Pittsburgh? And you know, I had thought about it for a little while because I always wanted to move and travel. Basically, I woke up one morning and I confirmed with Taylor. I was like, yo, let's do it. I'm moving to Pittsburgh. And so literally that day I went to my job, quit my job, and about a week and a half, 2 weeks later, I was here. And when I got here, it was pretty cool. I sat down with Taylor and Kel about what they were doing, how they're doing it. Their YouTube channel had started picking up traction, and one thing that took up a lot of their time was video editing. And that's something I had never thought about doing in my life. That has nothing to do with anything I know about. Not very computer savvy. I mean, I've gotten a lot better, but Taylor basically started teaching me how to do video editing, and I actually enjoyed it a lot. It's something that keeps changing. It's not a very monotonous job. You get to see a lot of different things, get a different feel for things, and doing that for a little while. And then I ended up helping them with honey badger booths, doing that kind of stuff, writing listings for people, which I enjoy. I like being able to create something for people that works. We have seen from students in 9 University that they have gotten organic sales and reviews just from our listing, which is awesome to hear, just to know that I did that, and I was able to help someone with their business, which is it's really cool in my mind. That's basically how I got here, and I love it. They've taught me a lot about Amazon, taught me a lot about affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, all that, and I love getting into that stuff. So that's my backstory. You know, I'm glad I'm here. It's life-changing. It's completely life-changing, and anyone thinking about getting into this type of business should definitely put their mind to it. I mean, it might not be something for you, but keep trying, keep pushing. I had to make a change in my life, and I made it, and I'm much happier. I'm living life, going to get a car right now, hopefully I'm getting this car. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be able to be driving to this dealership and getting a car if it wasn't for the opportunity that was in Pittsburgh. So that's it, guys. I'm so glad to be here and can't wait to see if we can get this car.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, I hope you like my car. It's a dream come true. I never would have gotten this opportunity if it wasn't for what Taylor and Kel have done. They have opened up so many doors for me. They've opened up, I got a house, I got this car. Everything has come from Amazon FBA. It all started there. It's all gonna finish there. That is what we do. That is what my daily job. I go in and do this. You can give this opportunity to all your family and friends, all the ones you love, your spouse, your kids, your brothers, your sisters, everything. It all started here with Amazon FBA, and the change has been incredible. It blows up. Kayla and Taylor needed employees, and I was the one that stepped up and was like, yo, let me do what I can. If you have that same mindset, if you have the same drive, you can do that too. You can get a new car, you can get a new house, you can do whatever you want. Give that opportunity to someone because they deserve it. How does it feel, Thomas? It feels amazing, dude. This car rides so smooth. So happy I got it. It's the nicest car I've ever owned, for sure. But yeah, it's phenomenal. I don't even have words for it. I love it. I love it. Proud of you, kid.
Thanks, man. Thank you.